Hi class, let's take a look at example 2. And in this particular example, it's actually going into the second quadrant, but we're still rotating along the x-axis. And we're looking at the following region. So I'm just going to do a basic sketch for e to the x. So e to the x is going to pass through technically 0, 1. So we're looking at this sort of a function. I'm just going to assume that this is technically y is equal to e to the x. And then we're going to be actually looking at a region that is at -1. So that's about here to 1, not to scale, but around here. Okay, and then technically this is the region that we're going to be rotating. So let me attempt to basically create this solid. So this solid, it's gonna have this technically in this form, and then not to scale obviously, but it's gonna have this sort of a shape. And let me make this better. So okay, so this is technically the center, or the y is equal to 0 line. And then as you can see, this is your radius. Okay, so same idea. They want us to find the volume. So let me start here. So the actual volume is equal to the integral from -1 to 1 pi, and then our function, it's going to be an e to the x technically squared dx. And let me rewrite it. So in this case, we're still looking at, well, the integral from -1 to 1. I'm just going to put the pi on the outside, and this is going to be e to the 2x dx, which is equal to pi times e to the 2x divided by 2 evaluated from -1 to 1. And then don't forget that we still have on the outside the multiplication times the pi. So for this one, this is pi times, actually I'm just going to take out the 2 from the, in this case, that 2 from the denominator. And then this is going to be an e to the 2 times 1 minus an e to the negative, well, actually 2 times -1. So this is 2 times -1. And we're looking at this one being technically pi over 2 times an e to the 2 minus an e to the -2. And this is technically pi times an e to the 2 minus an e to the -2 divided by 2. So as an exact value, you can actually leave it like this. This is pretty much good as an exact value. This one, it's the sinh of 2. Let me double check. It's actually the sinh function. So you could also rewrite it as 2 times the sinh of the 2, or approximately, as a final answer, please double check that you're getting 3.63 as the decimal approximation, and I'm approximating it to 2 decimal places. So 63, once I punch it into the calculator. It's fine if you leave it like this. I may ask for a decimal approximation on all of these, since technically, wait, I did not multiply the pi. So that would be times the values of pi. Okay, sorry. So this should be 11.39. So 11. So this is 11.39 once you multiply the pi. So total volume, it's going to be equal to technically pi sinh of 2, which is technically approximately 11.39. Let me double check that final answer. Yeah, 11.39. And technically it's units to the third power, since we're talking about this representing the volume of the solid.